than in the morning, so that's when things could get a little ripe around here, if you know what I mean. It was toasty today. Look at this now, 73. We had the hourly high temperatures, in other words, measured at the top of each hour, go to 71. But when you go back and look between all of those hourly numbers, we hit 73. So that ties the all-time record high for this date. Record-breaking warmth today. Again, we're going to fall off, and that transition will be interesting. It was also 72 in Ann Arbor, 70 in Pontiac, and 70 in Monroe. Impressive, absolutely. Outside right now, looking down the river, pretty lights of the city. Live shot there. It's dropped to 58. Humidity still pretty dry at 51%. We have an east wind now. It was south and southwest for a good chunk of the day. Now it's turning east. It'll either be east or northeast, pick up the pace a little bit. That's the system coming from the southwest. And so lots of times we get east winds around here this time of year, spring and summer. We get some rain, and I think we will too. How about that? 39 in Port Huron. That's a real number. It was only in the low to mid 50s today. We talked about this yesterday with the wind off the lake. Well, everybody else is much warmer. It's 58 right now in Detroit. So some high clouds first, then the clouds thickening up already over Lake Michigan. There are some showers out here. These will move mostly to the north and east of Detroit, but might catch the northern part of the metro overnight. But it gets a bit more interesting as this system comes at us and works its way in toward tomorrow. So here's 9 o'clock in the morning. Could be some showers, even some thunder at that point. But as the center of the energy gets closer to us and the front gets closer to us, it has a better chance to mix things up. So in the afternoon and the evening, this is 7 o'clock, it's still hanging around here. And then as it moves east, things will change rather quickly. So the strongest storms should be between 1 p.m. and 10 p.m. I think they're mostly done by midnight, so that's a nice calmer night to sleep. Highest chances in terms of location or those stronger storms is going to be around and south of I-94 in the afternoon and evening. Hail is the greatest threat just because the atmosphere, even though we're warm, the atmosphere is still kind of chilly compared to a summer day. Cannot rule out the possibility of a tornado. It's about as low a risk as you can get, but it still is there as a factor, perhaps. Hail's the highest risk, then winds to 60. They call those straight line winds, and then flash flooding. I think things will move along fast enough. With an inch of rain, it won't be that much. We'll talk some details about the amounts coming up in just a little bit. So overnight tonight, clouds on the increase, maybe before dawn. Some rain chances west of the metro, 45 in Detroit. Then as the day goes along, the rain chances pick up. The chances for stronger storms picks up in the afternoon and evening. 55 for a high in Detroit, 40s to the north, maybe still some 60s in Lenawee and Monroe County. That's that warm front trying to push through but not getting very far north. 51 Friday, 55 again Saturday, back to a little sunshine, and then 45 on St. Paddy's Day Sunday. Monday's 38. It's a quick drop back down to the 30s and some 20s for lows Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday morning as well.